Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Our topic for today is all about how we can connect your LEGO account to Fortnite. Let's hop into the steps. First, open your browser and search for epicgames.com. Next, log into your Epic Games account. After that, go to the Apps and Accounts, which is located on the left side of the screen. Look for the LEGO account option. Then click the Connect button below it. Confirm the logged in account into your Epic Games. Then click the Connect account. Next, sign in or create a new LEGO account to be connected to your Epic Games. After signing into your LEGO account, it will show a pop-up where it will ask you to allow Epic Games to get some information from your LEGO account. Simply choose Allow, and that's it. By connecting your LEGO account and Epic Games account, it will eventually connect it to your Fortnite. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.